Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you two methods to use Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot at the same time on your Android phone. Normally, when you activate your hotspot while it is connected to Wi-Fi, your phone turns off the connection. But with this technique that I'm going to show you, you can have both working together at the same time. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So in the first method, we are going to use the phone's inbuilt Wi-Fi sharing feature. So currently I am on a phone. So now what you have to do is just simply follow the simple steps. The options and the names will be different, but the majority of the steps should be the same in most of the Android devices. Now what you have to do is firstly open your phone setting. Now just simply tap on connections or just simply find anything similar to that. For example, network and internet. Open that. Then just let me find an option called mobile hotspot or hotspot and tethering, as you can see right over here. Then just let me tap that option. Now over here, what you do is you have to toggle on the Bluetooth, as you can see right over here. So in the first step, what you're going to do is we are going to use internet over the Bluetooth. So what you do is enable the Bluetooth. Now once you will do that, your Bluetooth should automatically activate, as you can see right over here. Now the next step that you have to do is you have to go to your Windows. Now, once you're on your Windows device, what you have to do is just simply go to your settings, go to Start menu and search for settings, then just simply go to Bluetooth devices. Over here, just simply pair with your Bluetooth device. Firstly, enable your computer's Bluetooth. Now, just simply look for the device. So open the Bluetooth device on your phone first, and then just simply find the device on your computer as well. Now wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, it is showing the phone's name over here on the screen, and the moment we'll click on it, there should be a pairing option on the phone. So just simply wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, there will be a pairing option. Now what you have to do is simply click on Pair on your phone first, then click on Connect. And the moment you will do that, you should be connected with Bluetooth on your computer. Now, the moment you will do that, you will notice that the computer is now connected with Bluetooth on your phone, and you can see the name of the computer as well. Now, once that is done, simply close that. Next, in order to enable internet using the Bluetooth option, just simply go to the computer username that you just added, and over here you will have the option. All you have to do is just simply go to the settings of that Bluetooth device on your phone, and over there just simply enable internet access, as you can see right over here. All you have to do is just simply go to the settings of that Bluetooth device on your phone, and over there just simply enable internet access, as you can see right over here. Now just simply wait for a few seconds, and once you're inside, all you have to do is just simply enable internet connection sharing. And the moment we'll do that, as you can see, originally it was not giving us any internet, and now it is giving us internet, as you can see right over here. So that's how you can use internet. So that's the first method that you can use to share internet with Bluetooth, and the function will also work the same on other phone as well. All you have to do is just simply connect your Bluetooth, which you can see right over here. The Bluetooth is connected, and you can see the names of the phones, which you can see right over here. Now, as you can see on this phone, there is not even Wi-Fi or data activated, but now I will try to open the Google Chrome and see if it works or not. So just simply open Google, and as you can see, it is working just fine. And the Wi-Fi and data is still off, which you can see right over here. Now in the second method, if your phone doesn't support Wi-Fi sharing at all, that's not a problem. All you have to do is just simply go to your Play Store. Then just simply search for an application called NetSharing. Just simply install this application on your device, and as you can see, it will be a no-root application, so if your phone is a non-root one, it will work just simply fine. Now open the application, and now over here you have to do a few settings, so let me show you what to do exactly. So first what you do is just simply check the box for Start Wi-Fi Hotspot. Now click on Allow. Now wait for a few seconds, and it should give you a Wi-Fi name and password. So next thing what you have to do is you have to look for the option called Other Devices at the very bottom and take a note of the address and the port. Now once you will note down the address and the port, the next thing that you have to do is you have to just simply connect with the Wi-Fi that you see right over here. So go to the Wi-Fi of your computer, and you should be able to see the name of the Wi-Fi. Now once the hotspot appears, just simply click on it and then click on Connect. Now enter the password that will be given to you on the phone. So just simply enter it properly. Now once after entering the password, make sure to verify it once, then click on Next. Now wait for a few seconds till the Wi-Fi connects. Now once the Wi-Fi is connected, you will notice that there is no internet. And if you go and try to open a browser, you can see there is no internet. Even though the Wi-Fi is connected, which you can see right over here. Now the reason the internet is not active is because we still have to enter the port. So just simply enter the port that you can see at the very bottom. So what you have to do is just simply open your search menu. Then search for proxy and just simply open proxy settings. Over here, just simply click on Setup on Manual Proxy Setup and then just simply enable the proxy over here. Now just simply enter the proxy IP address, which you can see on the phone, and the port. Now the moment you will enter the proxy, which you can see right over here, all you have to do is click on Save. Now just simply wait for a few seconds, and now if you go back to the browser, the internet should now work. And as you can see, the internet is working just fine. And let me show you how to do the same thing on a phone as well. So on a different phone, what you have to do is simply go to your Wi-Fi options, which you can see over here. Not a single Wi-Fi is activated. So go to your Wi-Fi, search the hotspot name, which you can see right over here. Now just let me enter the password that you see on the different phone. After that, verify the password, then just simply click on Connect. Now once the Wi-Fi is connected, just simply go inside that. Now scroll down and just simply click on the proxy option. Over here, choose Manual, and over here in the host name, just simply enter the IP address. And in the port, just simply enter the port. After entering the proxy and the IP, just simply click on the check option at the very top right-hand side corner. And once we do that, the internet should start. Then just simply go ahead and check on any browser. And as you can see, the net is working just fine with the same Wi-Fi hotspot, as you can see right over here. Now you know two different methods to use Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time on your Android device. So if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.